What's up guys, and welcome back to another comparison video. Today I'm going to be comparing all the different brake setups that I've got on all of my Grand Prix. Okay, so ranked from worst to best, I'm going to start with the brakes on my 97. The 97 has stock rear brakes, and the front are actually the 02, 03, I think it's 01 through 04 or something like that. Police package brakes. They're essentially the same caliper, same brake pad as what comes factory on one of those Grand Prix, only the Impala had a larger rotor with an offset caliper. It has slightly better braking than stock, so it's not a bad setup, but out of the three setups I have, it's probably the weakest one that I have. Coming in right in the middle at number 2 on this list is going to be the brake setup I have on the 05. The 05 has got the newer 06, 07, 08 Impala brakes. Now it does have the ones that go into the 16s. They're not the police package version. So the rotor is really not much different than a stock 05 rotor, maybe a hair bigger. But it does have the cast iron dual piston calipers, which does help a little with pedal feel, and you can run a larger brake pad. So it's got that set up on the front. Then it's got the older 01, 02, 03 rear brakes. That setup stops really well. The brake pedal feel is pretty normal, about the same as stock, but it stops good, but it's not anything super fancy. So that's why it's kind of in the middle, but it does stop better than the 97 does. And coming in number 1 for the best brake setup that I've used is the current brake setup on the 99. The 99 has rear GXP 12.5-inch brakes, and then it has front F-body brakes. So it's got the slightly larger rotor, it's got the aluminum dual piston calipers from the F-body. This setup still might not be perfect. I honestly think that front GXP brakes would be better, and it's pretty likely I'll try that at some point in the future. But the F-body brakes stop well, they've got a good bite, and the GXP rear's actually made for a better pedal feel than the stock brakes on the back. So overall, it's got a good high firm pedal. It's very responsive, and it stops better than either of the other two cars do, but not as good as some cars I've owned in the past. So it's like maybe 80% where I want it to be, but it's definitely the best of all three. And if you have any other questions about F-body brakes or the Impala brakes, or what you can put on a W-body and what you can't, let me know down in the comment. I'm always open to have a conversation. This is just where I'm at on these so far. Or if you have any suggestions for anything you'd like me to try brand-wise, or like a different brake swap or anything like that, let me know. Other than that, like this video if it was helpful or entertaining, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see the next one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and peace. What's up guys, it is time for another viewer's ride submission, and this week, in this one, I will be putting two together. This is actually a 2000 GTP and an 02 GT, both owned by Jared Thisdale. The GTP has 42-pound injectors, SLP headers, 3-inch exhaust is, I'm assuming, what he's saying here, Magnaflow mufflers, ported intake and throttle body, Kohler plugs, and 180-degree thermostat. And the 02 is a GT with a WS6 style hood and the complete 40th anniversary interior, which he said will be swapped into the GTP in the spring. And if you would like to have your car featured, make sure you send it in to salemdoylesubs@gmail.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video.